We're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can I withdraw my YouTrip money? It's a great question, and the answer might surprise you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what YouTrip is. It's a popular multi-currency travel card that offers competitive exchange rates and low transaction fees. It's a fantastic tool for travelers looking to save money on their overseas adventures. Now, to the main event, can you withdraw your YouTrip money? The short answer is, it depends. Scenario 1, ATM withdrawals. While YouTrip is primarily designed for card payments, you can typically withdraw cash from ATMs overseas. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. ATM fees. Many ATMs charge fees for foreign withdrawals. YouTrip might also add a small fee. So, it's essential to weigh the convenience of cash withdrawals against these potential costs. Currency conversion. When you withdraw cash, your transaction will be converted from the local currency to your YouTrip's base currency. This conversion might incur additional fees, depending on your card's terms and conditions. Scenario 2, cashback at stores. Another option to get cash is to ask for cashback at participating stores. This is often a more convenient and potentially less expensive option than ATM withdrawals. Check with the store before asking for cashback. Ensure that the store supports this feature. You might need to make a purchase first to qualify. Cashback limits. There may be limits on the amount of cashback you can request per transaction. Best practices for cash withdrawals. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need cash, try to withdraw larger sums less frequently to minimize fees. Check fees in advance. Before traveling, research the ATM fees in your destination country. This will help you make informed decisions about where to withdraw cash. Consider alternatives. If ATM fees are high, explore other options like using your card for purchases and getting cashback when convenient. Additional considerations. Security. Always be mindful of your surroundings when using ATMs or withdrawing cash. Avoid using ATMs in isolated or poorly lit areas. Daily limits. There may be daily limits on how much cash you can withdraw from your YouTrip card. Check your card's terms and conditions for details. So, there you have it. While you can withdraw your YouTrip money, it's important to consider the potential fees and limitations involved. By planning ahead and understanding your options, you can make the most of your YouTrip card and enjoy your travels without breaking the bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.